If you're wondering whether can you leave your OnePlus 13 5G charging overnight, so let's take a closer look. So the short answer is yeah, you can do this. Firstly, make sure that your smartphone is turned on and accessible. Then navigate to settings. In our settings, let's navigate to our battery section. In battery section, find your battery health right here. And in your battery health, you'll see a lot of options which can prolong your battery life. For example, like smart charging or charging limit. So smart charging monitors your charging habits and modifies charging patterns to reduce the battery wear. It's temporarily holds charging to 80% and only fully charges the battery up to 100% close when you typically unplug it. Also, you can activate your charging limit. With this, your OnePlus 13 5G will cap the charge at 80% while plugged in, thus minimizing battery aging over time. By enabling this feature, your phone optimizes charging, ensuring that even if you charge it overnight, it won't harm the battery. This way, your device's battery remains healthy and fully charged right when you need it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.